Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for the Nothing Phone 2 camera. So let's get started, and we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and right here we can find some few useful options. The first one, we can use the volume buttons to take the photos. As you can see, they are located on the left side, and when you click on the volume up or volume down, you will just take the photo. When you click and hold one of this button, as you can see, you can record videos. When you click and hold this shutter, we can also record the videos, but we can move our finger to this lock, and right now we don't have to hold this button anymore, and we can just take the photos while recording the video. Next, when you want to change, for example, the brightness level, click on the screen and move this sun icon up and down to increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you click and hold one of this preset, take a look, you will unlock this slider and you will be able to zoom in to the 10 times. Next, when you click in this place, you can add some filters. It changes actually the look of your photo and also the color and the temperature. This one looks actually really cool. And the glass also. To turn it off, just click right here. Next, you can add the delay to your shutter between 3 or 10 seconds. There's also the countdown with the glyph lights. If you want to get more light on your photos, you can of course use the flashlight or the glyph. Take a look, just click right here. The glyph is turned on. It looks really cool actually. Not in the camera, it's not that impressive actually, but on the real life it looks really good. And when you click second time, you will just turn on this normal flashlight, so when you take the photo, as you can see, it will light up. There we go. You can just turn it on permanently, and then we can just simply click on these three lines where we can get this quality photos, the 50 megapixel photos. So it will give us basically the more details. When you open the settings, you can find other options. You can, for example, get rid of this shutter sound. You can also use this function tap to take the photo. So take a look, you can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. You can find also on this phone other modes like slow motion, where you can actually adjust the speed of the slow motion, so we can go between 120 frames to even 480, and you can also switch the resolution between Full HD and the 4K. If you go for the 4K, you can only stay with 120 frames. There's also the video mode, where you can also switch between Full HD and the 4K, and you can also switch between the frame rate. When you go for the more modes, we can find, for example, the expert mode. So we can adjust exposure, ISO, shutter speed, white balance, focus range, and we can also change the photo format. And honestly, that's all camera tips and tricks for the Nothing Phone 2. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.